Hi everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. My name is Daulat Hussain. In this video, I'm going to talk about the one ad blocker extension which I use for myself for having ad-free experience on the web. And the best part of this ad blocker extension is it's provide you 3 different features, and this is one of the best in the industry. So if you are struggling with the ad, if you get irritating while having something important and all in a sudden you have ad in between the video or in the articles, then you must include this ad blocker extension into your browser and have ad-free experience. So now let me take you to my computer screen and show you that how you going to install that ad blocker and what are the features this ad blockers provide you, everything about that ad blocker. Let's start. As you can see that you are into my computer screen, this extension is available in all the browser. No matter what browser you are using in your computer, you can able to find this extension very easily. So to get that extension, all we have to do is simply type ad blocker extension as I have already done my research, and hit enter. And then you have to click on the second link and just wait. And this is the ad blocker extension we have to install into our Chrome browser. As you can see, the name says that ad blocker, best ad blocker. So yes, it is one of the best ad block. So before you start installing the extension into your browser, you have to know few things, that what are the information that extension is going to take from you, what are the cookies they actually going to drop in your browser. So these are the things which you have to know. You don't want to share some critical information which you want to keep it to yourself. You don't want to share to the third party. So before installing that, you have to know about everything about the Chrome extension, that how it's working, what are the data they're going to calculate and they're going to take from you, because nothing is free. They are providing you this extension for free, but in return of that they are taking something from you. So I compare almost 5 ad blockers, and after comparing those 5 ad blocker, I found this one the best, because this extension is also taking some sort of data, but as compared to those extension, this one is pretty safer. And that's why I'm recommending you, because if you look at the number of installation and number of stars this ad blockers got is absolutely amazing. So like here they have written everything, that what are the data they're going to take from your browser and what are the things they are involved, what are the feature and functionality they are providing. You can read everything about it. So whenever you install any extension, just focus on the star and number of users and just scroll down, and here you will find the complete feature which the Chrome extension is going to provide to you. So you can see that you can block ad on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, itna millions people downloads, and here you can find a lot of information. If you want to know more about this extension, just visit their website and you can have a details documentation that how this Chrome extension work, what are the data they're going to calculate. And if you scroll up here, you can find the privacy practices which they have make a document on that. So you can just click on that and you can read more about it. If you go to this review tag, you can able to know that what the peoples are saying, what is their experience. So you can able to read everything about this Chrome extension and the user experience these people having after using this extension. And you can go to the supports. If you have any problem regarding this extension into your browser, you can simply click here and you can able to contact to the developers and they will help you to solve your query. And if you don't want to install this ad blocker, but you want to find a similar ad blockers extension, you just simply click on related, and here you will find all the similar ad blocker extension which you can install. But before you install, I must tell you that check out the number of installation which they have. So this is one of the best ad blocker which you can use. Is to add this blocker, all you have to do, click on this add Chrome extension, click on add extension and just give a pause and give some time. Automatically this will install the extension into your browser. Once it's installed, it will find you right up here. As you can see, this is successfully installed. Just simply cut this one, come back to this page and click on here, and as you can see, the extension is successfully installed into your browser. So click on this pin button, so it will add on the top bar of your Chrome extension, Chrome browser. As you can see, this is the extension. So now let me show you that how you can use this extension. All you have to do is simply take your cursor there, hit right, and here you will find few options. So these 2 options is main. If you want to block ad in any particular website, like for example, if I want to block ads on YouTube, I don't want to see ads in the between side of the videos, so you just simply click on this options and the complete ad would be blocked on that website. If you want to block ads in the entire Chrome browser which you are using, so just select this options, and this will block ads completely from your browser. And this is how you can have ad-free user experience on the web. If ads bothering you while watching video, just pause the ad. If you're looking for information on any particular website anywhere on the web and ads bothering you, use this Chrome extension which help you to block ads completely, and you will have amazing experience. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have any questions, any doubt, write in the comment section. I would love to help you out. And if you have any request, or if you want to know anything else, you want me to make a dedicated video on any particular topic, you just drop the topic in the comment section. I would love to have that topic and I would make a video on that. So do let me know whatever your query is. And for the time being, bye bye. And if you're watching me for the very first time, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channels. That will motivate me to make more videos. So hope you have liked it. See you, bye bye, next time. Have a great day.